Sis, if you've ever looked at your black decor and thought, something just isn't quite right, maybe the problem isn't your pieces, it's your styling. Today, I'm showing you 5 simple but powerful ways to elevate what you already own so it feels curated, high-end, and intentional without buying anything new or breaking the bank. So go ahead and click that like button so YouTube knows that this is the decor you've been waiting for. And with that, let's get started. Hey family, welcome back to Mommy Room Redo, the channel that celebrates our homes, our culture, and our creativity one soulful space at a time. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 power moves that will instantly make your black decor feel more refined, more intentional, and more expensive. And the best part, you already have everything you need. Power move number 1. Edit what's already there. Now, the first thing that instantly elevates your space is something that most people overlook, and that's editing. Not adding, refining. When everything is on display, nothing feels special. High-end spaces don't feel full, they feel intentional. So, instead of adding more, take a step back and look at what's already there. Maybe it's pulling forward that one mud cloth pillow and letting it stand out, instead of competing with everything else. What you remove or reposition is what allows your space to breathe. Power move number 2, create a focal point. The second power move is to give your eye somewhere to land. If everything is competing for attention, your space will always feel off. High-end rooms are clear, they're anchored, and that could be a bold piece of art, a sculptural vase, or even a beautifully styled coffee table. Everything doesn't need to be the moment, but one thing does. Power move number 3, mix materials. When everything matches, your space falls flat. But when you layer wood, metal, fabric, ceramics, you create depth. And depth is what makes a space feel expensive. Power move number 4, fix your lighting. Overhead lighting alone will flatten your entire space. But when you add a warm lamp, a soft glow, a little shadow, everything changes. Lighting doesn't just show off your decor, it sets the mood. Power move number 5, meaning over matching. Stop focusing on matching and start focusing on meaning. Matching is easy, but meaning adds richness. That could be a piece from your travels, something passed down, or decor that reflects your culture. The story behind the piece is what gives weight. Now this right here is your next level power play, contrast, because a lot of spaces look nice, but they don't feel finished. And most of the time, it's because everything looks the same. Now, contrast is something that this sister right here really lives by. Erika Ward of Erika Ward Interiors. She is known for creating spaces that feel elevated but still livable. We actually featured Erika along with other top Black interior decorators in a recent video. And what makes her so respected in the industry is how intentional she is with her design choices. Nothing feels random, everything is on purpose, and one thing about Erika, she is all about contrast. Now, look at this first space. You've got that light sofa grounded by deep black pillows. Glossy finishes on the table against softer textures in the rug. Even the mirrors are structured, bold, reflective, playing against that softness in the seating. Nothing blends in, but nothing feels out of place either. Now, this one right here, completely different energy. You've got patterns on chairs, colors on pillows, textures in the rug. It all works because it's balanced by that clean, neutral sofa. And those lighter tones give your eye somewhere to rest. That's contrast. It's not about adding more, it's about creating the difference. Light and dark, soft and structured, matte and shine. That's what gives a space depth. That's what makes it feel layered, intentional, expensive. And like Erika says, contrast is the heartbeat of great design. Hey sis, did any of these power moves have you rethink how you're styling your decor? Let us know in the comments. Quick temperature check. I just want to make sure you're good. If this is your kind of conversation, I want to invite you to a deeper connection by joining the Redo Room right here on YouTube. This is Black decor with intention and meaning. To join, just click the join button next to subscribe on this video. If you're watching on your phone, tap join right under the video title. Everything happens right here on YouTube. As a Redo Room Essentials member, you'll get early access to videos, member-only posts, and behind-the-scenes moments. And if you upgrade to Redo Room Prime, you'll get monthly Black decor hit lists, deeper dives, and content I don't share publicly. No pressure, just an option. As you know, I like to leave you with a soft life moment. And this is where soft life shows up. It's not in what you add, but in what you stop feeling like you need. Not chasing more pieces, not trying to fill in every space. Because when everything has a purpose, your space doesn't feel full, it feels finished. And there you have it. 5 simple but powerful ways to make your Black decor look more expensive using what you already have. And this video reminded me of a rule I use, not just in my home, but in my life. When something feels off, I evaluate. I take a step back and look at what's already there. Sometimes that means repositioning. Other times, it means letting something go. Curated spaces aren't crowded. Curated lives aren't either. Sometimes, you just need to see your space differently, so what needs to change becomes obvious.
Thanks for hanging out with me today, family. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss the next soulful, inspirational moment right here on Mommy Room Redo.